So we are getting ready for carving contest. And look what we found. My old rocking bench templates. Oh, these are sick. I came up with this concept of a rocking bench. I'm not sure if anybody else has come up with that, but yeah, about 10 years ago, I think. I cut them out of some super expensive slabs. Well, not that expensive. $1,200 slabs. Maple, burl, highly figured, and myrtle wood. Some highly figured myrtle wood. Look at this one. There's a wedge system that wedges together. Oh man, these are gonna be fun to put together. Sweet. All right, so we are getting the tripod, and we are gonna try to carve. That's how we make money. Being a chainsaw carver. So we gotta get it going. We gotta make a YouTube video. And we only have a couple days until the Sandy Invitational Carving Competition, the SICC. And yeah, we got a huge mess everywhere. What? ADHD. So what we are focusing on is carving some stuff, because I sold everything again. I get down and then I end up selling everything. But we sold, well, I guess I got a big sale. But we sold the owl, we sold the bear, so we got some cash to go to the contest with. We're gonna work on some birds, some little stuff. Little $40, $50 stuff that people can easily buy, and we can easily get some cash. So on the way there, on the way back, while we're there, so here we go. We gotta start making YouTube videos. Make more YouTube videos. Let's go. We're working away. Got a little pelican, a little bear. This one took me like 30 minutes maybe. It probably took me 45 minutes. We still gotta refine it down. Yeah, keep doing that, and here we go. Stuff we got cut up. Alright, we got a lot of stuff to get ready before we go. So here's the Bigfoot holding the surfboard. I'm gonna start carving, and now Nick called me and I gotta go help him with a sign on top of a roof. So I gotta go help Nick out with a sign on a roof and go pick poop in his house. I'm comfortable pooping there, so. Yeah, man, I'm a shy pooper. What do you want from me? Now here's what we're doing. We're gonna take off this sign up here. I gotta go get my ladder and stuff. That's what we're doing. We gotta take the sign off. All right, YouTubers. We gotta get under here. We gotta repatch that. Yeah, I'm just grinding. Nick's got ADHD too, and we're gonna do this tomorrow. We ran out of time. We're gonna go see Lilo and Stitch. So there's my day. I didn't get anything done, but that's about a typical day for me. So we'll just come back here in the morning. We're gonna remove this sign. We're gonna keep all the metal, and I'm gonna keep whatever they're gonna throw away. I could use that to build a sign. And sign business, that's a good business right there. It off, dude. That shit broke right off. That's one way to do it. Wow. Good cool sign. There it is. What up, T-Money? It's Friday and we're about to head to the contest. Yep, that's right. We're just getting all the inventory stuff. Battling ADHD like normal, but it's normal. I don't think we could do stuff like this without it, though. And my chip is toothed. My chip is toothed. Got a couple things, gotta finish them. But they're cute and they'll probably sell, so we gotta hurry up. And wow, I wasn't even recording that whole time. Just look like an idiot. Okay. My ADHD got me, so I barely got anything done. Half-assed. And we just gotta load up and go, like we always do. Seems to be a recurring problem. But we're loading up, and it's about 6 p.m. Well, it's 10:17 in the night, and we got everything packed up and looking good. But yeah, we're gonna show up at like 3 o'clock in the morning, get 3 hours of sleep, and rock and roll. That's usually how it goes, though. So, yep, late night drive straight through. We're gonna set up the tent, get a couple hours of sleep, and wake up and go carve tomorrow. Yep. Whoop, whoop. Here we go. Well, here we go. We gotta go pick up Tristan. Well, just got to Tristan's place. It's 11:30 or something like that. Just waiting for him. See, we could just strap him straight up top. Make him easy. Well, it's like 5 in the morning, we're still driving. Alright, we just got here, parked my truck over there. I'm gonna set the tent up right here. Our living situation, yep. So we just got here, got no sleep, but feeling great. So this is usually how it goes. Got some nice wood over there. Ooh, redwood. Oh, it's going down. Oh. Alright, here we go. We're going to go cut our main piece. And, yep. Oh, he's already cutting it. There goes that idea. No, not now. Whenever you get a chance, I got the big end of that log. The bigger end. Yeah, my name's Matt. Where you at? I'm over there. You're about 2 down from me. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, there's my log. Pretty big. Thank you, I was about to do it. Oh yeah. We hug around here. Where you at? Yeah, where the woods is. David and Goliath. Yeah. Just waiting for my log to get delivered. David and Goliath. 12 hours. Not a lot of time. That's the whole purpose of David and Goliath. Yeah, here we go. Woo-wee! That's a big boy! Let me see, hold on. Let's do that side down. Oh, let's just take it over there. We can flip it.
I'm having trouble picking it up.
Oh, really? Oh, might have to carve it right there. Huh. It's too heavy. It's a big boy. Well, it looks like I time-lapsed the whole thing. But he was having trouble getting my log and he got it. Barely. This thing is so heavy. Probably the biggest log here. Thank you. God bless this carving. Let it be your will. Let it glorify you. Can't think now. For the glory. For the glory of God. Giving me problems. Woo, she's giving me problems. Stuck right there, I gotta cut it. Here's what's going on. I drew a template. Wow, it looks better on video. Drew a template. Torso, not really. His legs are going to start up here. This is where his private area is. So, right here is where the private area is, and his legs will go down from there. Big. I'm gonna work on the legs the last half hour. Rock and roll, baby. Come on. Got the legs going on. You can sit on it. Go ahead, sit on it. It's safe. You can sit on it. Go ahead. Alright, good. Dust it off. Day one. See what we've got. Front roller. We're good. Take a break here. There's holes. I'll walk through there. Yeah, I have the Cadillac polyurethane on here. It's the unfit spar polyurethane, and it's basically the spar. Man, everything's tiny carbon. I'm doing goliath. Howdy. Save the part. Feeling. Oh, pretty good. How about yourself?
Oh, pretty good.
Man, I gotta get me one of these. I have the Alaska mill, but good morning. And that it is. Hey, we got to rock and roll, everybody. I'm doing good. And yeah, we need to get it together. Oh yeah. I don't know what pizza place this was, but they're really good.
Yeah, they are.
Got the smoked potatoes. Where we're at? 1 hour, I think, or an hour and a half. I'm not sure. But he's looking like kind of. Gotta get the shoulders right. Gotta drop the back more. Woo! Oh man, I gotta hurry. want to come up here and help me straighten it up? Drop on you, hey, we can scoot this side back like 4 inches, 5 inches. Okay, tell them to pull the fork out and we can push it. Okay, can we just grab it and turn it? Yeah, can we bring it further back on that side? We are finished. And we got a Goliath. First! No, I'm just kidding. We did it. Got Goliath going. He's huge too. I gotta measure him and see how tall he really is. Surprisingly. It's not finished, but I mean, it's there. It's huge, 12 foot tall. The last one standing, literally. Well, I guess Kristen's over there too. He's cowboy. The lady was supposed to buy it, so I'm not sure what was happening. So that's it. We sold most of our stuff. But yeah, we got Goliath standing. It's not how I wanted it to be. You can see the seam. I mean, it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. We barely got it up there. We had 1 minute left. It was pretty cool. 6 more hours. Just 6 more hours I can get this thing looking right. There's a big old chunk right here. It's kind of nice to stand on it though to get the head on. So I don't think I'm gonna cut it off yet. I might have to build a ladder just to get up there. But yeah, could have improved was actually studying human muscle, and because I got lost in that. And I got lost figuring out how to place it on top. I didn't have that pre-planned. So I had to figure that out, wasted time. So this is all stuff you have to practice before to get it right, and then you come and you try to accomplish something like that in 16 hours. What was I thinking? It was still fun, and people liked it. Kids voted for me. I almost got People's Choice. Not really, but I got some. Pretty cool though. Yeah, I had a lot of fun. We're the last ones here. My truck's still here in the tent. We gotta take that down. And then the guy with the tractor is gonna help me lift it into my truck. I gotta take it apart in pieces. I'm just gonna weigh it down. Way down. I had that full face helmet. Mask. I had a full face mask. I didn't use it hardly. Dumb. So we're moving the Goliath and the forklift side, so I gotta go get some gas. He said, "I'll pay for it." I'll get it. You're helping me. We're all helping each other out here. I wish I could do a couple of gas in it. I get a ton of carbon too, so. We're all loaded up. Squatting them up real quick. So now, time to get ready to work on the lighthouse. That is not how I planned it in my head. But I am running out of space on my phone, so we gotta do a quick video and I gotta sync all my stuff and blah, blah, blah. Alright, we are back. And we're unloading. Time to make some chicken on soup. With some pink oysters. They're like bacon. What? Okay, we're back. Gotta get my motivation check. It's like 1, 2 o'clock, like it always is. But I'm gonna unload Goliath right next to the tree. So I was thinking I could put a chain hoist on the tree and lift him up and stack him that way. Hopefully he's not too heavy and pull the tree down. That would suck. We'll see. This is a little tree I want to build a tree house in. I think it'd be a cool idea with tree houses in there to have some sort of gantry system that could lift logs up right there, and hopefully it's stable enough with a right angle and steel to restructure it. I can stack logs that way. I'm not sure how strong the tree is, or if we're even allowed to build a tree house in that type of tree. I'm gonna have to be a certain type of tree. I gotta make quality videos that actually look good and make me look bad. So we finished Goliath. That was a good video. Great video. Okay, it was amazing. Pretty good. The lady never sent me a video of the thing. Yeah. I'll take that right down. Anyways, we're going to turn the truck around and get it strapped into this tree and lift it up and stack it. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, partner. Let's get rolling. Alright, I'm going to use this branch as a gantry to set the big Goliath up. Well, dropped Goliath. Looked like he got knocked out with straight arms. That didn't work out.
Snapped up.
Oh, there goes. This one's actually taller though. And Goliath was a challenge, but the next stop, Reedsport. The next adventure to Reedsport for the Reedsport Chainsaw Carving Championship. Should be a blast. Here's a sneak peek at Reedsport where I use VR to carve. Yep, VR.